Now, if you don't think this song is the greatest song ever, I will fight you. That's no lie, no lie.
I remember when I lost my mind. There was something so pleasant about that place. Even your emotions have an echo in so much space. I remember when I lost my mind. There was something so pleasant about that place. Even your emotions have an echo in so much space. And when you're out there, without care, yeah, I was out of touch. But it wasn't because I didn't know enough. I just knew too much. Does that make me crazy? Does that make me crazy? Does that make me crazy? Possibly. And I hope that you are having the time of your life. But think twice. That's my only advice. Come on now, who do you think you are? Bless your soul. You really think you're in control? Well, I think you're crazy. I think you're crazy. I think you're crazy. Just like me. My hero had the heart to live the life I wanna live. And all I remember is thinking, I wanna be like this. Ever since I was little, it looked like fun. And there's no coincidence I've come. And I can die when I'm done. But maybe I'm crazy. Maybe you're crazy. Maybe we're crazy. Probably.
Fresh off the plane, Mr. Money Machine, Don Cannon, Norris Barkley, the official mixtape. Now we get down to the south side, all the way overseas. The boy CeeLo, Danger Man,
Pay attention.